Go ahead and open up a blank document. I'm going to make a statement that you're either going to love or you're going to hate, depending how you feel about the subject. Math. What about it? It's all about the math. Now, we have an expression in the United States, and we would say maybe, well, math is a four-letter word. Now, most of the words that you would not use in the English language that happen to be words, you just wouldn't say, are 4 letters long. So when we say math is a 4-letter word, we're saying we don't like it. I'm kind of on both sides of the fence on that. I understand in a program like Adobe Illustrator the ultimate importance of mathematics and knowing numbers, but I don't want it to control me. I look at math as being on the left side of my brain, all nice and organized, and everything's neat and tidy and dusted. And then the right side of my brain, which is my total disorganized creative side, and I don't want them getting together too often because I don't want to lose my creativity. Now, with that said, sometimes I need math, and sometimes I need a calculator. What I'm going to show you, if you don't know this one, it's kind of cool, is something that you can use with just about any tool in Adobe Illustrator that you're drawing or working with. So let's do this. Let's just pick up the ellipse tool. Now, if I come over here and draw an ellipse, let me make that a perfect circle by holding the Shift key down. Let go. So my first circle, let's go ahead and give that a color too. My first circle basically is drawn just what I want. I hadn't looked at size. I don't care about size. I'm just looking at this thing right now and saying, okay, that's the size that I want. The next thing that I draw, say I need another circle, needs to be maybe, I don't know, 1.5 times bigger than that one. Now, there are ways we can do that. You can come up to transform, for example, and there is the width and the height. And you could calculate 1.5 times that number and add that number or plug it in, and boom, you've got it. But there's an easier way to do this. Let's get out of here. Come somewhere on your screen and just click. Now, we have the ellipse tool selected, so it's going to open up my width and my height. And I've got 148.4536 pixels. And I need a circle that's 1.5 times bigger than that. And I'm going, oh man, I don't know what that is. I'm going to have a calculator. Well, the calculator is actually built in, and it has been there forever. I love this feature. Come over here and click to the right of pixels, and I'm going to type in an asterisk. Now, what's an asterisk in math? Multiply. 1.3. 1.3. I want one 1.3 times bigger than the one I originally drew by just using my eyes. Now, if I come down here and click on height, there's the number, and you can see it. Now, I can do the same thing down here if I want to. I can type in, well, I'll tell you what, on this one, times 1.5. And so we now have a height and a width based on math. I click OK, and, well, there's the copy. I needed it a certain size, but the size was based mathematically on the original one that I drew just by hand. Now, understand, we can add with the plus sign. We can subtract pixels with the negative sign. We can multiply with the asterisk, and we can divide with the slash. Same keys we would use in any mathematical expression on a computer system are built in right over here. All you got to do is click and add them. That's pretty cool, and it will work basically with almost any of the tools that draw in Adobe Illustrator. Don't forget you got your math already there for you.